Hello, everybody. Welcome. I'm not here to spread fear, and I'm not here to create anxiety, but I am a health watchman and a watchman in general, and we're called to watch out for one another. And to my surprise, not a lot of people have heard of what's happening tomorrow, October 13th. So I need to put this video out so you're aware of what's going on and you could be prepared for it. And so as we know, there's a war going on right now, and the Hamas terrorist organization and other terrorist organizations that have a lot of similarities with ISIS that creates terror and destruction amongst the world and killing anyone that doesn't believe what they believe, has stated that tomorrow, October 13th, is a day for widespread demonstrations and attacks all over the world. The organization is urging Palestinians and the Arab and Islamic communities and all who support their cause to assemble and protest, but to do it with violence and attacks. So it's important that people understand this and they know this, to be aware of this, so you're not taken by surprise and to be prepared. If you're not prepared for this, and the first way of preparing is knowing, so that's why I'm making this video. But if you're not prepared for this, don't leave your house. As a matter of fact, depending where you live, don't be in your house. If you're not prepared for this, you need to be prepared for this, because this is not just something we need to prepare for physically, but it's also something we need to prepare for mentally and emotionally, and to realize the reality of what's going on in today's world and where we live and how we're living, and the things we must do to overcome it. And so I just wanted to make this video and put it out there so you would know and you'd be aware and you'd be ready. All right, you can look more into that on other websites about what's happening, but tomorrow is the day. I don't want to make a big video out this adding to the dramatic building up of the anxiety and everything else, or conspiracy or whatever else, but I just want people to know October 13th, this is what they have declared. And I'm sure not everyone's going to act on this, but there might be some radical terrorists out there that are going to seize the opportunity to destroy and murder and kill and create violence. So be prepared. Don't wait for it. Be prepared. Protect yourself. Protect your family. The number one thing you can do is pray. And the next thing you can do is answer or listen to the answers that our Creator gives you. But be ready. Be ready. Don't be taken by surprise. All right. So there you have it. October 13th. That's the update.